Okay, getting ready to reassemble the primary chain case. So the first thing we're going to do is put the oil pump drive on. That's all nice now. So I've got the drive pinion that goes on the crankshaft. So I'll just knock that on. Butts up against the main bearing. And then we've got the oil pump drive itself, and that has this strange sort of diamond shaped locking washer, and there's a flat on the shaft, so that flat locates over the shaft. I've already turned up the end of the locking washer so that I've got some chance of locking it when it's on, because it's difficult to get to that end of that little diamond. Then I'm going to put some Loctite on as well, because you don't really want that coming off. That runs very, very close to the primary chain. It's not like virtually touching it, so the last thing you want is for this nut to come off. Oh no, some plastic on there. Okay, that's on loosely, and then I'm going to fit the intermediate pinion. Well, I'm going to put some lubrication on it first. Oh dear, bloody COVID rubbish. I'm okay, but I'm still feeling naff. I've still got this damn dry cough from it. I mean, I've been bad for 3 days, but anyway. Right, so just going to turn pinions round, that's right, until everything engages. Note how very close this is to the cross shaft. But that's how it goes. And of course, as this is stopped from coming off, when we put the outer casing on, that will butt up against here, and you know, that stops it moving in and out. But now that's in, we should be able to tighten up the oil pump pinion. Doing well. There's no torque on this, we just want it tight. Not too tight, it's only a, don't forget, because of that flat on the shaft, you know, it's not a full thread. Anyway, that's good, I'm fine with that, and I'll turn up that locking tab now, and that is the oil pump drive in. Yeah. Can't get any grips on that, so flatten it with a hammer. Yeah, I'll make sure there's no chance that that's going to come undone. Good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the primary chain on.